You have built your skills, your experience, your reputation, but every email you send still has that old username attached to it. Here how to finally fix that without losing a single thing. Here's what people are doing right now, and it's a massive mistake. They are making a brand new Gmail account from scratch, then copy contacts one by one, then spending days going through every app, every subscription, every service, and updating the email address. Google has quietly started rolling out a feature that lets you change your Gmail username. That's the part before the red gmail.com without you are not starting over. You are just getting a fresh name on the top of everything you already have. Now not everyone has this feature yet. Google is releasing it in the stages. So let's first check if your account is ready. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Have your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Hit manage your Google account. Step 3. Go to personal info. Step 4. Look for Google account email. Now here the key moment. Is there a small clickable arrow next to it? If yes, you have the feature. If no, don't worry, check back in a few days. It's still rolling out. Before you make any changes, there is two things you absolutely need to know. Number 1, the 12-month lock. Once you change your email address, Google locks it for a full year. You cannot change it again for 20 months. So this is not a decision to rush. Pick a name you are genuinely happy with before you touch anything. Number 2, write down your connected accounts. Think about your bank, your streaming services, your shopping apps. You don't need to update them right now, and here why, but keep a list ready. Okay, now let's actually do it. Step 5. Enter your current password when prompted. Step 6. Click change Google account email. Step 7. On the next page, type in your new username, the name you want. Step 8. Click change email and confirm. That's it, done. This is the biggest update Gmail has made in 20 years. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.